We introduced these color codes in Series 1 in a logical fashion. In all the episodes of this Series 2, we request the viewers to make note of these color codes while going through the notes mentioned on the screen that are coded with these color codes. One may find an additional green color coded words. The mystery of this green personality is elaborately revealed in Series 3 with a variety of evidences from all world cultures. In this episode, we will be seeing some rarely available proofs from Hindu scripture, Markandeya Mahabharata, where sage Markandeya has clearly mentioned that Mahabharata war happens during the Yuga Sandhi. Sage Markandeya mentions the Mahabharata war and the decimation of Yadavas thus happened at the Yuga Sandhi, that is, confluence or the point of transition from one Yuga to another about 5,000 years ago. Such Yuga Sandhi confluence is of end of Kali Yuga, the Iron Age, and the beginning of the Satyuga, the Golden Age. This is evident by what sage Markandeya in the epic Mahabharata stated. The Golden Age begins in the end of Kali Yuga, a time for upliftment. Sage Markandeya detailed the advantages of Kali Yuga through his prophecies on the importance of Mayapur, India, and also he has mentioned how the new spiritual awareness will spread around the world and how to get free of the influence of Kali Yuga, meaning the five vices, through which a new species of humanity will emerge. Markandeya writes that the process of the beginning of the Golden Age is within the process of the ending of the Iron Age. Sage Markandeya mentions about that process as and commissioned by time. A Brahmana of the name of Kalki will take his birth and he will glorify Vishnu and possess great energy, great intelligence, and great prowess. And he will take his birth in a town of the name of Sambhala, in an auspicious Brahman family. The town named Sambhala is now called as Chambal in the state Uttar Pradesh in India. When one goes through the biography of Param Brahma, who is giving knowledge currently, one can realize this prophecy. And vehicles and weapons and warriors and arms and coats of mail will be at his disposal as soon as he will think of them. And he will be the King of Kings and ever victorious with the strength of virtue. And he will restore order and peace in this world, crowded with creatures and contradictory in its course. And that blazing Brahmana of mighty intellect, having appeared, will destroy all things. And he will be the destroyer of all and will inaugurate a new yoga. And surrounded by Brahmanas, that Brahmana will exterminate all the mlechas, wherever those low and despicable persons may take refuge. In the Rig Veda, the only one true Brahman who is praised by many names is said to be Agni, who is none other than Rudra, Arjuna, Adam. One may see Series 3 for complete evidences on this one personality who has been mentioned as Kalki. Kalki is Arjuna, in whom Shiva self manifests and makes him the powerful lord of the Iron Age world called Vishwa. Thus, he is called Vishwanath. The sentence mentioned above, and vehicles and weapons and warriors and arms and coats of mail will be at his disposal as soon as he will think of them, is about the advancement of the science, modern weapons, and the power of internet today, which have been invented in this period of dawn that is currently going on. They are for the service of spreading knowledge to the entire world. One may please see Series 3 for complete evidences. The word extermination means subtle as well as literal. through the Mahabharata war of knowledge and war of nuclear weapons, post which the Pandavas, the believers, meaning the righteous beings, the virtuous ones, would live, and with them the period of heaven, the Swarga, the Satyayuga, the golden age begins. The word mlechas mentioned in the above statement is about the highly body conscious people of divided religions who refuse to follow God's directions, the Srimad. In fact, the entire world is mlechas in this end of Kali Yuga, who are called Shudras or Shudras, meaning the lowly and mean intellect people. The scriptures mention that by the end of Kali Yuga, the human being has almost zero celestial degrees or nil celestial degrees. They are called mlechas or the Shudras. But those who follow God's directions become Brahmanas and then transform to deities or devatas. The complete procedure can be easily understood by seeing series 3. Please note, as interpreted by all scholars, that after Mahabharata war, Kali Yuga began is completely false. In fact, the destructive war sets forth the beginning of the golden age with a small population of righteous people called Pandavas. We request the viewers to watch the 3 series and the episodes within the series in the numbered sequence. We have used questioning technique where each and every point is questioned and answered in the most practical manner, supported by religious scriptural references and other authentic evidences, and thus are arranged in logically meaningful flow.